Hello people, this is your host Ray. In today's story, we will decide and we will learn how to decide the colors and its combinations for any of your design project. Let's start with understanding what's the color and what's the understanding of color theory. So color basically combines with of three values. One is hue, saturation as well as value. Hue means basically the color, any single color you want to decide. For example, red, blue, green, black, yellow, orange. This all comes under hue. And next is the saturation. It means the hex value of the color. For example, red, then which particular value of the red you want to choose among the color picker. And last is the value section, which helps you to understand that what tint as well as shades you want to give to your particular color. For example, red, then is it a dark red or a light red? These all are the basic understanding of colors and its particular value. So once we understand the color and its concepts, the next part is to understand the color and how to choose a color in a real life product. For example, blue. Blue is basically signifies the trust and belief. And the green color is signifies the health and environment, as well as the yellow color is signifies the energy. If you are designing product which have energy or sports, yellow is the one. And if you have pink, it really relates to feminism. And if you have, let's say, red, it's most definitely signifies the alertness as well as warning. So these are the basic understanding that where and when to use these colors. Blue means trust, green means energy, red means alertness, and yellow means anything related to sports or fast or energy also. So once you understand the color concepts and where and which color is most preferable for which particular product, and you also understand the hue and saturation, the next part is to decide that how to choose the color combinations as well as how to make the coordinations between the colors. So choose the color combination as well as color coordination. You can use an online tools or a mobile application or any of the application tools. It will help you to understand the monochromatic, trichromatic or as well as shades of the colors. It helps you to understand that which color fits with which other particular color. For example, blue fits with white coordinations as well as blue can also have the shades of the blue or its own colors. It also gives you a trichromatic colors. It means what all three different type of colors you can use for your design project, which are more appealing as well as good in looking. It also gives you the basic understanding of shades. It means if you have chosen brown as a primary color, it will provide you the 3 different or 4 different types of brown colors which have a difference in opacity or tint value as well as shades value. Definitely these colors combinations are important one. For example, you have a website which more often related to a trust and you have chosen blue as a primary color. Definitely you need some of the other color combination, for example pink or purple color or yellow color or green color as an alternate color for your buttons or for your background or for your cards. So these color combinations helps you to give the basic understanding of which color works with other colors. You cannot just randomly choose the blue color with the pink color. It doesn't suit at all. So I highly recommend to check out these color combinations for initial purposes. I still use it even after having much of experience in designing the product. Okay, so the last and the next part is to decide and to actually work with the real colors for the real product. We'll have a 3 different product or let's say 3 different frames in our Figma, and we will decide and we will design the actual color combinations on all the 3 products. The first product is the blue color frame, which means the primary color of our first product will be blue color and the next primary color for our next frame will be green, and similarly the third frame will have yellow as a primary color. Once we decide which particular will be the primary color, we will decide the shades as well as the different values of those primary colors for those corresponding products. For example, product number 1 will of course have a blue as a primary color, so we'll choose one blue color for our different entire product. And once we decide the blue color, we just have to create 2 different colors with different value or let's say with different tint as well as shades value. Once we did this entire thing for the blue color, we have to repeat the same process with green as well as yellow color. Okay, so once the primary colors as well as the particular shades have been decided, the next and the last part about choosing colors is to decide the neutral colors. Neutral colors are mostly the basic colors which you have probably seen in almost all the websites or mobile applications. For example, white and black. The third color will be choosing for neutral colors is a color which helps us to differentiate between white as well as black. Sometimes we do need those type of colors to give a box shadow as well as a background color. So the next part is to design a simple components, for example avatar or button, and try to see that whether a primary color looks good or not. We'll put a button at the centermost position and we'll put an avatar at the top right corner, and we'll try to see that whether a chosen primary color looks good or not. Once the primary color have been decided and components have been used, we'll try to see what all our primary colors look like when they are in dark mode or have a black background. If they look pretty good, then we have also confirmed that our primary color will work even in the dark mode.